أول شي طحين هيل حليب خمرة stir نخلط بعدين شوية زبد وشوية زيت.
زين اوكي. دنيس الله يحفظك بس تجيب لي معون. والله حط لي مية شوية لو سمحت يعني.
بعدون شوية ماء.
وش بعدون؟
هذا
وهذا وش بعدون دنيس؟ وش بعدين؟
بعدين بعدين.
يوسف بعدون بعد شوية. شنو؟
My mom or cold. برد أو حار؟
دافي. يعني نص ونص.
نص.
You like that word, don't you?
نص ونص.
حبيبي قرب بص. يلا.
I was thinking about buses beforehand.
It's not
saying that they come half the time.
Dennis. No English humor allowed, Dennis. Dennis اعطيني شوية طحين Dennis.
طحين plain or self raise?
احنا ما عندنا. We don't have بالعراق. Just pour it like that around. هذا. شوية هذا وهذا. We don't have in Iraq self-raising. They're all plain. We just add to them. Because we're not like you guys, lazy. We have to have something done already. I'm just joking.
That means we're clever.
So...
We adapted. You stayed the same.
Right, we have oil, okay.
Oil?
Yes.
Yeah, what good is that?
Petrol. You stole it from us. In it.
Why make it when you can steal it? You're showing people how to do it, but because you didn't bother weighing anything, you can't give them an actual full recipe.
Because your eye is your measurement, love.
Yeah, but if they're making it for the first time, then how is the eye the measurement?
Well, they
can't tell just from looking at your video.
They have to ask their mom, innit?
Now we'll leave it to prove for